5 days in Japan, ultimate travel itinerary with Shabz. Today, I'm taking you on an epic 5-day trip across Japan, from city lights to ancient shrines and breathtaking views. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and let's embark on this incredible Japanese adventure together. Our adventure begins in Tokyo, a city that seamlessly blends futuristic skyscrapers with traditional temples. First up, we're heading to the iconic Shibuya Crossing, a mesmerizing spectacle of humanity. Next, we'll immerse ourselves in Japanese spirituality at Sensoji Temple, Tokyo's oldest temple. Feel the calming energy as you wander through the vibrant grounds. And as the day winds down, we'll cap it off with a magical ride on the Daikanransha Ferris wheel in Odaiba. Today we escape the city buzz for a scenic day trip to Hakone, a mountain resort town known for its natural beauty. Hold your breath as we soar above volcanic hot springs and lush forests on the Hakone ropeway. Next, we'll hop on a boat and cruise across the serene Lake Ashi, surrounded by stunning mountain vistas. And to top it all off, we'll unwind in a traditional Japanese onsen, natural hot springs renowned for their therapeutic benefits. Today we journey to Kyoto, the ancient capital of Japan, by bullet train, an experience in itself. Get ready to be amazed as we walk through thousands of vibrant red torii gates at Fushimi Inari Shrine. Next, we'll lose ourselves in the tranquility of the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. As the day draws to a close, we'll visit Kinkaku-ji, the Golden Pavilion, a Zen temple covered in shimmering gold leaf. And if we're lucky, we might even spot a geisha gracefully gliding through the historic Gion district. Our adventure continues in Nara, a city famous for its friendly deer roaming freely in Nara Park. While in Nara, we'll visit Todaiji Temple, home to Japan's largest bronze Buddha statue. Next, we're off to Osaka, Japan's culinary capital, where our taste buds are in for a real treat. Get ready to be tempted by the sights and smells of Dotonbori. And for the grand finale, we'll ascend the Umeda Sky Building, a futuristic skyscraper offering panoramic views of Osaka's dazzling cityscape. On our last day, we're back in Tokyo, but this time, we're taking it slow. We'll find a moment of peace amidst the bustling city at Meiji Shrine, a tranquil oasis. Next, we'll step into the future at Team Lab Borderless, a mind-blowing digital art museum. And of course, no trip to Japan is complete without some souvenir shopping. Tokyo has something for everyone. That wraps up your 5-day Japan adventure with Shabz Travel Guide. From the neon lights of Tokyo to the serene temples of Kyoto, we've experienced the best that Japan has to offer. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic travel plans around the world. Until next time, safe travels and happy exploring!